Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how to accept invitation if someone invite you from Asana. So let's try it out. The first thing is open the Asana application. Once you will be there, make sure you select the option Profile, which is on the right bottom. And here you can see the icon Invite. Just click on it. Once you will click on it, enter the email of the person to which you want to send invitation. Just for example, I will enter. After entering, you can see the icon Sent Invitation. Just click on it. Now, the invitation has been sent. Now, as I said, I will explain how to accept invitation if someone invites you. That person need to open his email address to which you send an invitation. And once you open that invitation, a request to join Asana will be shown on that email, and once he will tap on that, he need to accept that invitation, and he will be in the same company to which you want to invite him. After accepting from the email, that will be in your team, and that's it.